Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to build a learning management system with the help of the LearnDash. Okay, so when it comes to the learning management course selling website, whether those courses are free or paid, LearnDash is the best option from my point of view. Even I have the course selling website which is built with the help of the LearnDash. Okay, so this is the platform, and over here you will see the pricing and all. But first of all, let me just show you the demo how the website looks, which is built with the help of the LearnDash. Okay, so this is the front end over here. This is how your website would look. If you want, you can even modify this with the help of the Elementor. And these are the three courses which are published. Two of them are free, and one is paid one. So let's just see how the course looks when it comes to the front end. Okay, so this is the featured image present over here, and this is the enrollment. It tells whether you are enrolled or not, and over here you will see the price of a course, and this is basically the login. If you want to enroll to this course, you have to log in, otherwise you won't be able to access the content. This is the course content. As can be seen, it says you don't currently have the access to this content. In order to get the access to the course content, you have to log in and register over here. Okay, and whatever course material present or associated with this course, you can give that course material under this tab. And this is the course description. Whatever description that you want to give about your course, you have to write it over here. Okay, so this is the front end of a course. Then if you want to access all the courses present on your website, then just click on this all the courses, and you will find all the courses under this tab. And again, we have the about page and the contact us page, and under the my account you can login over here. And if I'm just clicking on the login, you get this beautiful dashboard where you have to enter your email ID and the password and login. And if you are new, you can just click on this register, and you can enter username, email ID, and a password, and again type out the password over again in order to confirm it. Okay, and if you want to get the notification and all, then you can just click on this and just click on register, and you will be getting registered. Okay, but as of now, this is the demo website, so we cannot just register on this website. So let's just go to the pricing. Okay, so this is the pricing of this website. Okay, so if you are building only one website, then you basically have to pay $159 over here. And you can create unlimited courses, then the unlimited users can register, then the course content, everything. Okay, so you also get the demo site template. And if you are taking this plus package, then you can use this plugin at 10 more places. Okay, so if you are building this 10 more websites using this very same plugin, then you can do that. You just have to pay the $189. If you are a freelancer or the developer, then you can go with this one. And if you are taking this package, which is a pro package, then you can build it 25 websites. Okay, so this is the plugin which is used by some of the developers in order to build a learning management system. So now let's do one thing. If you are interested, you can just download this plugin. And once you download the plugin, I will show you the later process, how to install this, and how to create the content, how to create the courses, everything. Okay, so this was all about the LearnDash learning management system, which you could use in order to build a course selling website. So okay guys, this is our dashboard. Once you log in inside of your dashboard, or log in inside of your website, this is how this dashboard would look. And currently, as you can see, there are a lot of many things present over here. You can remove this, or there is one more way by which you can remove them. Just untick all these things, and whatever the things that you want on your desktop over here on the dashboard, you can just keep them. But as of now, we are not in need of anything, so I will remove everything and just uh, just click on these screen options to make this undo. Okay, so as of now, as you can see, there are a few plugins which are already installed. If I'm just going inside of the plugins, then you can see that this is the first plugin, this is second, third, fourth. Okay, so there are some plugins which are already present over here. Okay, so these plugins what we have over here, these are uploaded by me, so because of which you are able to see all these plugins. Okay, so in this particular tutorial we will be in need of all these plugins. And okay, so once when you come to this plugin section, you can do one thing, click on add new, and whatever plugins that you have, you can do one thing, you can click on this upload plugin, then you have to select the plugin wherever it is. My plugins are basically inside of this folder. Okay, so what you have to do is whatever plugin that you want to upload, just select the particular plugin, click on open and click on install plugin. Okay, so sometimes it so happens that you are not able to upload the plugin from this portal. You cannot upload the plugin from this upload plugin section. So what you have to do is you just have to go to your hosting, the website where you have taken the hosting. So now let me just show you that procedure. So click on this manage, and over here you have to go inside of this plugin section. Okay, so just click on these plugins, and whatever plugins that are installed by you, you can you will be able to see all these plugins. So here you can just activate and deactivate these plugins from this point also. But let me just do one thing, let me just go back, just scroll down below, and wherever you might have taken the hosting, you just have to implement these changes over here. So just search for file manager, okay, so inside of the file manager you have to click on this domains. Okay, and you have to select that particular domain of yours, and then you have to go to the public HTML, and inside of this public HTML you just have to search for WP content. Okay, and inside of the WP content you have to go to this plugins. Okay, so whatever plugins that are installed by you on your website, let me just go to the install plugins. Okay, so all these plugins which are installed over here, you will find them inside of this folder. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just have to upload that particular plugin over here. Okay, so if any plugin is not getting uploaded from this section, then what you have to do, you just have to come to this plugins folder, and you just have to click on this upload files, and you have to select a particular file. Okay, so basically we'll get this error with the learning management system, this WordPress plugin. Just click on it and click on open and click on upload, and wait for it to get uploaded. Okay, so now that particular plugin has been uploaded over here. Just scroll down, and where is that plugin? Okay, so here is that plugin over here. Just click on it, right click, and just say extract. Okay, so you have to extract this plugin over here. Click on the extract. Okay, so extraction has been completed. So now do one thing, just come to this plugin section and refresh this page over again, and by now you should get that plugin over here. Okay, so just search for that particular plugin. Okay, so that error was caused because now if suppose I'm going to this plugins, this plugin of learn-lms, then there is this one more folder which is a learn-lms WordPress plugin. Okay, so this shouldn't be happening, that there shouldn't be folder inside of the folder. Okay, so this folder what we have, it should be basically inside of this plugins folder, but inside of this plugins there is a folder named learn-lms WordPress plugin, and inside of that there is this again second folder. Okay, so because of which we are not getting this plugin appearing over here. So now what we have to do is we just have to move this particular file. Okay, so now let me just show you what is the issue. There is this folder which is learn-lms WordPress plugin. If I'm just clicking on it, there is this one more plugin with the very same one more folder with the very same name. This shouldn't be happening. Okay, so this should actually override that external folder. So now what we have to do is we have to come over here, select all these files, then we have to copy it, and I don't think we're able to copy this. Or we can do one thing, we can say move, and we have to change this. We have to go to plugins, and inside of the plugins there is this select this. We have to select that particular thing and we have to move. Okay, so now what I do is just go to the plugins, just scroll down below, and now as can be seen, all the content is inside of this particular folder. And now this previous folder what we have, if I'm just opening it, there is nothing. Okay, so it's empty. So now what I'll do is I will again go to this folder, and I will delete this empty folder. Okay, I hope this is not confusing for you all. Okay, so now if I'm just coming over here and refreshing this, at least now we will be able to see the plugin over here, learn dash. Okay, so this tedious process of uploading the plugin to this particular section of this plugin folder and all, this was for people who have trouble in uploading the plugin through this editor. But if you are not having any trouble, then what you can do is first of all just come over here at this point and click on the upload plugin. Then you have to select that particular plugin. Where is that? Okay, this is my plugin. Click on this and click on install, and it will install the plugin for you. But if you are getting any error during the upload process, if you are not able to upload or install it from this point, then you have to go for this process. Okay, directly don't go for this process. First of all, you should try with this one. If this is not working, then go for this option. Okay, so let me just see whether I am able to upload it or not. Let me just pause this video for a while. Okay, so now just scroll down, and over here you will get this option which is learn-lms. Click on activate. Okay, so as can be seen, there are a few fatal errors. Just refresh it. It's not working. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting this option which is learn-lms. Okay, so that error what we got just now, it was basically the installation, or maybe because of the network. But as of now, as can be seen, we are getting this option which is learn-lms. Okay, so now what you do is you just have to install the other plugins related to the learn dash. Click on this. Okay, so basically we will be making use of all these plugins. So I will do one thing. I will say select, and bulk action will be activate. I will say apply, and I will activate all these plugins because we are basically making use of all the plugins present over here. Okay, so we will see how to make use of them in the future. Okay, so there is one small error with this WooCommerce. Okay, so now as can be seen, all the plugins have been installed except for WooCommerce. There is an error with the WooCommerce. We will see how to resolve that error, but as of now, all these most of the plugins of the LMS have been installed. This is LearnDash LMS and the LearnDash Course Grid and the uh, Gravity Forms. Okay, so most of the plugins are already installed over here. So now if you are going to this LearnDash option, you will see this overview, then the courses, lessons, whatever courses that you create, you will see those courses under this tab. Then the lessons what you create, you will see all those lessons under this tab. And after that we have the topics and the quizzes, or whatever quizzes that you create, or you will find them over here. Then the questions, then the certificates what you create, you will find them over here. Then the assignments, and there's some of the other settings, other options and the settings related to the LearnDash. If I'm just going to the settings, then okay, so these are some of the options which are present over here, which you have to just read. It says that it's not working because you need to install the Elementor plugin. Okay, so we will resolve this afterwards, but as of now let's just scroll down, and here are some of the settings associated with the LearnDash LMS. You can upload your logo over here, and these are some of the other settings which we will see in the future. But as of now, let's just go back to this Elementor and all. Let's just install all the plugins. Okay, so whenever you get such options over here, you just have to pay an attention. Most of the time, all these options present over here, all the suggestions which are given are useless, but sometimes you just have to resolve these suggestions. Then currently it is installing the Elementor. Elementor is basically the free plugin, but Elementor Pro is not free. You have to pay for that, but you will get that plugin over here inside of this. So now we'll activate the Elementor. Okay, and there is this one more essential plugin which is WooCommerce. You can do one thing, click on add new over here, and you have to search over here WooCommerce, and this is the WooCommerce plugin. Click on install, and even the Elementor plugin you can install it from here. Just click over here and search for Elementor. Okay, and once you find it, just install. Then click on activate to activate the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so now just scroll down, and most of the plugins over here have been installed. Now we have to also search for LearnDash WooCommerce integration. So as of now we are having this, so I will install this by clicking on activate. And you have to also get the WooCommerce Stripe integration if you want to enable the Stripe payment gateway, which we will see in the future classes. But as of now, let me just tell you that this is required. Just activate this. This WP Forms Lite and the Yoast SEO is as of now is not required. Okay, so we have almost installed most of the plugins over here. So now let me just tell you the most important plugins over here. So CARTFLOWS is required, CARTFLOWS Pro is required. Then if you want to change the logo of the WordPress during the login process, then this plugin is required. Then this is not required, then this is required, then this is the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. In order to design the website, these are important. Then these are some of the essential add-ons for Elementor. This is required. Then this is essential add-ons for Pro. This is highly important. Then the Google Analytics, if you want to see the number of the people who have visited your profile, visited your website and all, then this is required. Then if you want to create the forms and all for sign up process and all, then this is required, otherwise this is not required. Learn dash course grid, this is important in order to give your website a good look. And this is the learn dash element, this is our main website. Then the learn dash WooCommerce integration, if you want to directly integrate the WooCommerce with your learning management system, then this is required. If you are integrating your LMS system with the this WooCommerce plugin, then this is not required. But for sake of safety and to be on the safer side, let's just install this. Then the premium add-ons, this is required. Then the WooCommerce plugin, this is important if you want to sell your courses. And this is the Stripe integration, Stripe payment integration, which we will integrate with the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so as of now, these are some of the plugins which are important. And thanks for watching. This was all about the installation of the plugins and how to set up the environment for your learning management system. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the next tutorial of WordPress learning management system development course. And in this class we will see how to change the look of our website. Okay, so if I am going to my website, this is how my website looks at the front end. Now I don't want my website to look this dirty, and this actually looks so weird. So now what you can do is just come over here and search for starter templates. So just type out starter over here, and you will get this option which is starter templates, and these are basically templates from the Elementor. Click on this install now. Okay, so once you done with the installation, then just go click on this appearance, and under appearance you will get the starter templates option. Click on the starter templates, and over here you will find some of the templates, starter templates from Elementor. Okay, so whenever you are clicking on this starter templates option for first time, you will get 4 options over here where you have to select for Elementor. Okay, so these are some of the options which are available for Elementor, and once you click on that Elementor option, you will get these templates. Since we are building the learning management system, we have to click on this template over here. This is basically a template from Learn Dash. So you will get this Learn Dash Academy. Click on this, and along with this you will get this 4 pages. Okay, so home page, all courses page, about page, and this contact us page. Okay, so click on complete site, and if it asks for update, don't update anything, just say skip and import. Everywhere just do one thing, skip and import, and finally just click on this import. So if this theme is in need of any plugins, it will basically search for those plugins. If they're already present, it will activate them. If they're not present, then it will download them and install them, and then they will be getting activated. Okay, so just wait for a while. It will do all this process that is needed by this website on its own. Okay guys, it's been a long time, and this template installation is stuck on this one step, which is activate plugin, which is WP forms. So let's just do one thing. Let's just click on this add new, and open this in a new tab, and just scroll down, and it is searching for WP forms slide. So search for over here WP form slide. Okay, so WP forms slide is basically part of this contact forms. So just click on this activate, and it is not getting activated. I don't know for what reason. Click on activate. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's just delete this. I think there is some problem with this WP form slide plugin, and let's just try to reinstall it over again. So okay guys, now I have removed the WP Lite plugin. So basically you won't get this error because you will be directly installing that WP plugin from over here. Just click on add new, and After clicking on the add new, you just have to search for WP form over here, or this template will automatically install it. Let's see what just happens. So I was actually getting this error because I had already pre-installed this WP form slide, and if you guys are still having trouble in removing that WP light, then do one thing: directly go to your hosting. Let me just tell you all how to do that. So basically I have my hosting on this hostinger, so I will directly go to my hosting, and this is basically for tutorial purpose I am telling you all how to remove any plugin which malfunctions. So just directly go to the file manager, then go to your domain. This is that domain of mine, then public HTML, then the WP file content, and over here inside of the plugins you will find all your plugins. Okay, so whatever plugin that is creating the problem, you just have to remove that plugin from this place. Okay, so if suppose I want to remove this WooCommerce plugin, then I will select it and I will say delete. Okay, so this is how you can delete plugin, or if you want to upload any plugin over here, then just click on this upload over here, upload file, select that particular plugin what you want to upload and upload it over here. And make sure that whenever you're uploading, that uploaded file should be in the zip format, and once it gets uploaded over here, then just click on it and then just right click and say extract. Okay, so this is how you can upload your plugins over here. So let me just remove that tab, and let's see whether the template is installed. It is still stuck on the import. Let me just try to install it over again. I will say cancel, and I will say import complete site, skip and import, and this import. Okay, so now it is installing the WP Forms Lite plugin on its own. Let's see whether this time it is working or not. Okay, so currently it is also importing some other content related to this theme, so let's just wait for a while. Okay, so now there is one issue over here. It says WordPress debug mode is currently enabled, and you can add the following code into the WP config file to disable the debug mode. So let's just copy this and wp config.php. Okay, so now you just have to come over here, this theme editor, right click and open in a new tab. It says wp config.php. Okay, so we have to search for this file. Just scroll down, click on I understand, and wp config.php is not present over here. Let's just go to the plugin editor, right click and open the plugin editor. and we have to search for wp-config.php. So okay guys, this config.php, this wp-config.php file is actually present inside of our cpanel. So wherever you have taken your hosting, just directly go to that particular place. Just scroll down, search for file manager. I'm actually showing you guys the detailed tutorial of how to resolve your errors. Click on the domains, click on the domain file public HTML. Then over here you will find that wp config. Okay, so just click on this, click on download, and it will be getting downloaded. Okay, so just say show in folder. This is that file. Just right click and just say cut, and let me just put it on desktop. Okay, so this is that file. So just right click on it, click on edit with notepad. Okay, so currently this notepad is editing few things over here. Okay, so now just click on edit with notepad, and then just scroll down, and we basically just have to search for this define wp debug. So just copy this, come over here, and let's just see whether there is a search option present over here or not. Click on find and paste that over here and click on find next. Okay, so you can't find a text. Let's just try to find something like only this much thing. Okay, we'll try to find wp debug. Okay, so this is not working, so let's do one thing. We have to search it manually. Okay, so guys, do one thing, copy this, just go to the hostinger, click on this file, right click, click on edit. Just be careful with all these options. Okay, just come down below, and over here you can put this code, paste it, and click on save. Okay, so now let's just see whether this is working or not. Click on import complete site, and at least now this should work. Okay, so import has started already. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now it's been seen import is successful and everything has been imported successfully. So now click on this visit site, and we are not able to see the changes. So now let's just go to the themes, and okay, so now it's been seen changes have been implemented, and now we are able to see our website. Okay, so now our theme is imported, and this is how our website would look. Okay, so currently as you can see over here, there are some errors. These actually don't look like our demo site, which we will see, which we will be able to fix in the future. But as of now, most of the aspects of this website is working fine. So even at the top, we are getting this two pages, two thing have been replicated over here, which we can fix. Okay, so this is how you can import theme. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys? Previously we have seen that how to import this theme, and this is the look of our website. So currently there are a few errors over here. This is basically a course preview. If I'm just clicking on this course of social media marketing, then this is how our media marketing course would look. This is the description, and this will show the percentage of which you have completed the course, and this is the course content. Okay, we can expand this. These are the number of the lessons under this particular section, and if I want, I can access it. Just click on it, and this is the first topic over here, and this is the second topic, this is the third one. Okay, and it also got a video over here. Okay, so this is how you can access your website. Let me just go to the home page, and now let me just show you how to fix this. Just go to appearance, click on menu, and this is our primary menu. Okay, so if you see, we are having these double options, and because of which we are getting those same double options over here. So we are basically getting this option because during the import time, the first time our import got interrupted because of that debug option, which we have to enable inside of this wp.php file, and because of which half the data was imported, but it was not enabled. Okay, so now what we will do is we will remove one header. Just say remove, then from this also you have to say remove. Just do one thing, remove one option from here, and just say save menu, and come over here and refresh it. Okay, so now our menu looks good, and if you want to make any changes to this, so if you want to change any of this text and all, then you can do it with the help of the Elementor. Just click on this edit with Elementor. If you don't see this option over here, then go to the pages section, click on all pages. So as can be seen over here also, all the pages got duplicated because of that import failure during the first time. Okay, so let's just ignore this. Our main page is home page. So if you don't see this edit with Elementor option over here, then you can do one thing. Whatever page that you want to design, if suppose I want to see this checkout page, click on this view, and this is how my checkout page looks. Okay, and if I want to view my home page, I will say view, and this is how my home page looks. Okay, so what I'll do is I will say edit with Elementor. Okay, or you can also do one thing, click on this edit with Elementor, and you can edit it. But if you don't see this option, then this is the second way in which you can do that. You will at least get that option over here. But first of all, in order to get this option, you have to install the Elementor plugin. I have already shown you all how to do that. Okay, so just come over here, click on edit with Elementor, and once you do that, you will get this option. And let me just show you how to do the editing and all. Okay, so now our Elementor is enabled. Now if suppose I want to change this text, I will click on this, and I will get this option over here. If suppose I want to change this particular text, I can do that from here also, and I can do that from here also. I will just remove it. My website, and if suppose I want to change this text, then I will click over here and I will say okay. So this is how you can do the things over here. And if you want to change the image and all, then you can do that from here. Say choose image, and you can select whatever image that you want from here. So this is the media library of your website. If you have an image on your PC and all, then you can upload it from here, or you can get the free images from the Pixabay. Just click on this option, and let me just select this one. Okay, so this is that image, and when it comes to the image size, you can say whatever image size that you want. Okay, so as of now, it's can be seen that image don't look so good. You can upload your logo and all over here, but as of now, let's just delete this. And you can access your courses from this button. Okay, so basically this is the button. If you want to edit this, click on edit, and you can provide the link on this button. Okay, and you just have to provide that link over here, and this is the text. Okay, so whatever text that you want to show on this button, you can change it from this place. I can say click here, and let's just scroll down, and these are the three sections present. If I want to edit them, click on the edit over here. If you want to change this icon, then you can go to the icon library, and you can select whatever icon that you want from this, or you can even search for icon over here on the top. So let me just select this one. I will say insert, and you can change the text over here. This is the header, then this is the description of this particular text. And when it comes to this styling, you can even provide a link over here. Okay, so whenever anyone will be clicking on this, that person will be taken to this particular link, the link what you give over here. Okay, so if I want to change the style, then I can do that. Click on style over here, then this is the primary color. I can change it to green or something, and that will affect the color of that particular icon. Okay, so from this place you can change the icons, and you can change the heading over here, then also change the description, and you can do the very same thing over here also with this text and paragraph. And down below we will have our courses displayed over here, but because of some error they are not being shown. I will try to fix this in our next tutorial, and these are some of the other sections. If you don't want anything over here, then do one thing, click on this crossbar and it will be gone. If you want to edit something, then click on the plus icon, and you will get this option over here. You can just drag and drop anything. Click on this. If suppose I want to show some text over here, then I will say heading, or if suppose I want to display an image, then I will drag and drop the image tab over here. And now let me just show one image. I will say insert media, and now that image is present over here. If suppose I want to change the dimension of this, then I can say I can select any of these options present over here. Okay, I can even change the styling. I can change the width, whatever amount of the width I want. I can do that with the help of the slider. I can even change the width. Okay, and I can even change the height of it. Or I can even give the values over here. Okay, so you can do that also. And you can even change the opacity, how opaque you want. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the course of WordPress web development. And in this course, we have seen how to build a learning management system. And in this class, I will show you how to create your first course. If I'm just going to my website, over here you could see that there are few 4 courses present over here. If I'm just clicking on this first course, uh, it will basically show you the content of the course. So this is the featured image of this course, and over here it will show you your progress, how much percent of the course you have completed, and how much step this course have got. And after that we have this short description. Okay, so right from here till this point, this is basically known as a course description, and after that we have this course content over here. Okay, so if you click on this expand all, then these sections get expanded, and whatever that is there, or whatever lessons that are present inside of this section, we are able to see them. Okay, so this is the how you could structure your course. So now let me just show you how you can create your course. So just click on this learn-lms tab, what you see. Then after that, click on the courses. If I'm just opening this tab in opening this section in a new tab, then over here I could see the number of the courses which are created by me. Okay, so when it comes to the course creation, course basically has this sections, and inside of these sections we have these lessons. Okay, so this is this section have these 3 topics or 3 lessons, and this section has these 2 lessons over here, and this is the additional one. Okay, so now let me just tell you how to do that. So over here you will see all your courses. If you want to see the lessons and the topics, then you can refer them over here. Then we have this quizzes section, in which whatever quizzes that are created by you, you will be able to see them inside of this. Then we have this question, then the certificates. Okay, so you can also create the certificates, and whenever a person completes the course, if suppose you have attached one certificate to this course, then in order to get the certificate, person has to complete all the sections. And once the course is 100% complete, you will see that 100% course is completed over here. Only then a person can download the corresponding certificate. So you can create the certificates, those certificates from here. Then we have the notification, assignments, then all the other settings. Okay, so now let me just tell you how to create this course. So as of now, for reference, we have the social media marketing course. If I'm just showing you all the course content, how it is structured, then you will be able to see that over here. Let me just show you how it is structured. Okay, so basically all this data what is present over here, this is the dummy data, the data which came by default with this plugin. Okay, so whenever you are creating a course, on the top you will see these 4 tabs, which is course page, then the builder, then the settings, then the group. And you will get this option added with Elementor. Don't do anything with that. Then we have this shortcode, which is shortcode for visitor. And then again we have this shortcode for students. Okay, so whenever anyone will be coming to your website as a visitor, that means if the person is visiting your website, if that person has not enrolled to your course, then this code will be shown. Okay, so now let me just open the website in this incognito mode. Whenever you open the website in the incognito mode, that means it don't have any connection with you, or not any data has been stored or used from your browser. Okay, so now whenever any visitor will be visiting your website, this is how it will be shown to them. Okay, so it basically will show you the number of the percentage of course that is completed by you. And if I'm just clicking on this see more, Okay, so it is taking time to load. Okay, so now this website got opened. So as can be seen, since I'm a visitor, I'm visiting this website for first time. It says login to enroll, and over here I'm seeing this line which says you are not enrolled in this course. Okay, so this is because whatever code or whatever thing that you write inside of this uh, shortcode of the visitor, this code will be shown to the person who is visiting your website for the first time. Okay, and this shortcode is basically shown, whatever that is there inside of this student shortcode, this will be shown to the student who is visiting the website after enrolling. Okay, so now I have enrolled to this course, and because of which I'm seeing this line which is which says you are enrolled in this course. Okay, so now inside of this it says you are enroll in this course. Okay, and this is the code which is written in order to make this in green in color and italic format. Okay, so this is basically the concept of the HTML. If you know the HTML and CSS, then you can write this code very easily. Okay, so this code is basically starts from here to here, and this is not required, this is not mandatory. If you want, you can put this. If you don't want, you might not put, you can skip this. Okay, and after that we have this course description, and this is the course description. Okay, so this is all what you will see up to this point, and next we have this course content section, and you can put that course content section from here. Okay, so click on this builder. Okay, so when it comes to the structuring of the course, first of all we have these sections. If I'm just scrolling down, and you basically have to say new section heading, and I will say second section over here. And when it comes to section after creating a section, you have to say add section heading. Okay, so whenever you create a section, the section will go to the top. You can just move them, just drag and drop down below. And now I want that section over here, and each section basically has a new lesson. I will click on this new lesson, and I will say lesson number 1, and I will say add lesson. This is the first lesson under this section, and if I'm just expanding this lesson, then inside of the lesson I can add the topics. Okay, so I will say topic number 1, then I will say add, then I will say topic number 2, and whenever you make any changes over here, you just have to say update, and now course has been updated. So as of now, as can be seen, there is nothing over here. If I'm just refreshing this, then I'm having the second section. Okay, so this is the second section, and this is the title what we have put over here. This is the title. Whatever that you put over here, it will be shown in this format. Then I have this lesson number 1, and if I'm just expanding this, then I'm having the topic number 1 and topic number 2. Now let me just tell you how to add the content to this topic number 1 and the topic number 2. Okay, so if suppose you want to add the content to this topic number 1, then just click on this edit. Let me just open this in a new tab. Then over here you can add whatever content that you want. Okay, so if you want some additional help and all, then what you can do is you can just click on this plus button over here, and you can put whatever that you want. Okay, so you can just search for anything over here. You can say browse all, and you can browse all the categories that are present over here. So if I'm just scrolling down, these are some of the LearnDash's short codes. You can just drag and drop them over here if you want. You can just search for whatever that you want. If you want to insert an image, then you can insert an image over here. Okay, and now I'll be able to insert image over here. You can just add the image from the media library, or you can upload it. If you are having the image on your system, then you can select that file and upload it over here, or you can just select the image that is already present on your website. Okay, so now let me just add this image. I will say select. Okay, so now I have added this first image. Now suppose I want to add something else. If suppose uh, now I want to add text over here, whatever that is. If you want to add the heading, you can add the heading. Then I will say this is my first lesson, and again you can just add something, and you can add a paragraph. And now you can write paragraph. Okay, so this is my first para. Then you can do one thing. You can just turn this into the bold or italic, or you can even attach the link. Okay, so whenever a user will come over here and user will click on this text, you can just attach the link. Let me just attach a video link over here. I must be probably having this links over here. Okay, so let me just give the link of this YouTube. I will give that link over here, and I will say open this link in a new tab, or I can let me just open this in a new tab. Okay, so whenever user will come and click on this link over here, that person will be taken to that YouTube video. And now if suppose you want to add a YouTube video and all, then you can do that as well. Just scroll down and click on this edit over here, and say YouTube, and this is that tab. And over here also you can provide the link of the YouTube video. I will copy paste that YouTube link over here, and I will say embed. Okay, so whenever you embed something, that video will be getting embedded on that particular page. Okay, so now this video of mine is available on this particular page. So this is how you can make the changes. Then again, if you want to add a caption to this, then I can do that also. I will say this is my YouTube video. Okay, so this is the caption for this particular video what is present over here. So whatever content that you want to add, you can add it over here from this plus icon. If you don't see this over here, then you will definitely find it over here. Okay, so now once this has been done, you can click on update. And now let me just go to my website and refresh this page. Okay, so now I am on my website. I will click over here, and if suppose now I want to access the content of this topic one, I will click on this. Okay, so now whatever the content that was added by me is present over here. First of all, I've added this image, then I've added this. This is my heading, then this is my paragraph, then I've embedded this YouTube video. So once a student has referred the content of this particular lesson, then person could say mark completed. And once the person clicks on this, that particular topic gets marked, and then person can just move to the next topic. And as you go on completing these sections, it will just highlight this thing. Okay, so the percentage of the content that is referred and accessed by you. So just make sure one thing, that all you are just informing your students to mark all these sections and the topics. Okay, so as long as you're not marking the sections and topics as a completed, this percentage will not go ahead, and you will only able to download your certificate once this course is 100% complete. Okay, so it basically depends on the number of the sections and the lessons present inside of your course. So now what I'll do is I'll just come back over here and come back to my course. As of now, you know how to add the lessons and the topics. If suppose now you want to add the quiz, then you can do one thing. Then click on this new quiz, and you can say my first quiz. and just click on edit, or you can just do one thing, open the new tab, and over here you can edit them. Okay, so now this is my quiz page. Over here this is almost similar to the adding the lessons and the topics. So over again you can just click on this bar over here, and you can search for whatever elements that you want, and you can put the content for your quiz. And yeah, over here this there are a lot many options present. You can make use of anything and everything present over here. Okay, so you basically get this many number of the options which you can add and complete your quiz. Okay, so once you're done, whenever you add a lessons or quizzes, anything that is, just don't forget to click on update. As long as you're not clicking on the update, your data don't get saved. Okay, so this is how you can make your first quiz and everything. Once your data has been done, once you are done adding everything, just again click on update. Let me just close all the other tabs over here. Then go to settings over here, and now this is the course material. Okay, so if you want to add some resources to your course, then you can just enable this, and over here you can add the course material. Now let me just show you what is that course material. And basically this course material is whatever course content that you want to provide to your users. If suppose I am building a website, and if I want to provide some resources related to the web development, then I can do that. So that course material could be found, basically that option was present over here. Let me just go to my website on the admin section. Course material. Okay, now let me just enable that course material. Okay, so that option is not shown over here because these courses don't have any course material. So currently I'm modifying this particular lesson, this particular course. So what I'll do is I will provide some course material for this course. So let me just do one thing. I will say add media, and I will add one image. Okay, so this is just for education purpose I'm showing this, and I will say update. Let me just come over here and refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm getting this option which says material. Just click on this, and whatever course material that is provided by you, it will be available over here. You can even provide the downloadable files and all. Okay, so if you want to provide the links and all, then you can do that. Just click on this insert editable link, and you can provide the link of Google Drive, or link of this mega cloud and all, just to share your files. And you can also provide some additional information if you want, and from this place you can select the certificate, course certificate, and this course certificate will be given to that particular person only after course has been completed. I will show you how to create the certificate after a while. And now this course content. Okay, so course content is basically this content. Okay, so whatever course content is present over here, from this option you can select whether this content should be available to anyone, or this content to be visible only after the person is enrolled. Okay, so if I'm just selecting on this option only visible to the enrolled, that means this content will be not visible to the visitor. This content will only be visible to the person who has enrolled in your course. Okay, so from this two options you can change, from these two radio buttons you can change that option. And next is a custom pagination. If you just turn it on, then it will it says lessons are basically 20 per pages, and topics are 20 per page. Okay, so if I'm just coming over here, then this particular course has 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these are 4 lessons, and topics it has is 3 5 then it's 6 7. Okay, so it has 7 topics. Okay, and this is the entirely, this is a one page. So you can just select a number of the lessons and the topics that you want per particular page. Okay, so if this particular one page is having the number of the lessons and the topics more than 20, then it will take the person to the next page. Okay, so you can change those options from this particular custom pagination. As of now, let me just turn it off. And next is custom lesson ordering. So you can just select this option, which is menu ordering title or the date. So this is basically the sorting process. Just click on the menu ordering, and the order direction you can just select the ascending and the descending, but as of now let it be ascending only. And next is a course access setting. Okay, so if you are clicking on this free, that means anyone can come to your website and access the course and for free. Okay, so it says whenever you are clicking on this radio button, this says this course is protected, registration and enrollments are required. Okay, so you can, this course is only available to the people only after that person registers for it. And when you keep the courses open, the course is not protected. That means anyone can access the content of your lesson without even having to enroll. Okay, so user might not have to enter their email ID and the password and other required information in order to access the content of the course. And if you're clicking on this buy now, then person basically has to buy the particular course for some course price, and you can add that price over here. And if you are saying the recurring, the course is protected by the learn dash built in PayPal or Stripe. Users need to purchase the course. And recurring fees in order to gain the access. Recurring fees in the sense, again and again person has to buy the course by paying the price. Okay, so this is basically like staying in a room and paying the monthly prices or the monthly payment in order to stay in that particular room. This is something like that. So if I am saying the course price is 100, and bill cycle is basically the number of the times you want to set the cycle. Like after if I'm just selecting the 4, then after 4 days you have to pay 100 rupees. Or you can do one thing, you can say yearly, and then the person has to pay 1000 rupees every after 1 year. Okay, so this is the option of this recurring. And when you say close, so close is basically a little bit tedious. Over here you have to add the course price, and you have to basically over here you have to give the link of the CARTFLOWS, which I will tell you all after some time how to do that. But if you want to give your courses for free, as of now, if I'm just going to my website over here, it says you are enrolled over here, and this is also enrolled, and this is the preview course, which I'll show you how to do that. But if I'm going to in the incognito mode, okay, so over here it says this is the free course, this is a free course, and just ignore this course as of now. I will show you how to do all these changes, how to show this preview and all. So now what you can do is, okay, so I was on this ribbon options. Okay, so this fourth option, what you see, this is little bit tedious, which I'll show you after some time. Then this is a course prerequisites. When it comes to the course prerequisites, in order to complete some course, if there is a need for you to learn some other courses, like if suppose if you want to learn the advanced web development and the basics of web development is required. Okay, so this comes under the course prerequisites. And first is has the compare mode, which is any selected. The user must complete any one of the selected course in order to order access to this course. Or you can say all the selected. That means if suppose there are some restrictions, like if a person has to complete the front end web development course, then person has to know the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript. Okay, so in that case you have to say all the selected. That means person has to complete the HTML, then the CSS, then the JavaScript. And if you say any, that means a person can have might be having knowledge about any of the topic. So this is something like that. And from this option, you can select the courses. Okay, so if I want to give the prerequisites like the first course. Okay, so in order to learn the social media marketing course, if the students has to have the knowledge of this first course, then I can tag that course over here. I can add the multiple courses as well. Okay, so this is really simple topic. Okay, so if I'm just saying select all, that means student has to student must have must and strictly have the knowledge about both these courses. And if I'm just saying any, that means student can have knowledge about this topic or this topic. Okay, so this is really very simple. And next is course points. Okay, so if you want to give the points to the students after they have completed course, that means if suppose if a student is accessing this course, okay, student is learning this course. Okay, so in order to get the award for this particular course, then what you can do is you can just select the number of the points. Okay, so after completing this many points, then student can get a reward. Okay, so award on completing suppose if student completes the 40 point, then you can give them the reward. Then you can say per student should at least get the 20 points in order to get the reward, something like that. And course access expiration. Okay, so you can just say student gets access to student gets this much amount of time to access this course. You can just say student or whoever if suppose particular student is enrolling to this course, then you can say that person should complete this particular course in only 30 days. And you can just give this date delete. Okay, so after 30 days that particular person will be automatically thrown out of this course. Okay, so all the user course data will be deleted upon the access expiration. Okay, so if that particular student is not completing this course within 30 days, then that particular student will be unenrolled from this course. Okay, so you can just give those particular, or you can apply those restrictions from these options. Next is course progression. Okay, so whenever I'm coming going to my course, if I'm coming to this course, I can access this course the way I want. Okay, so I can access this I can basically access this first topic. Then all of a sudden I can access this first lesson of the second section. I can access this two topics of this second topic over here. Okay, so this is what is known as the free form. Okay, so if I'm just selecting just a linear progress, that means in order to access this second topic, I have to go through all these three topics. Okay, so without completing this and this, I cannot move forward. Okay, so this basically comes under this linear. That means without completing this previous lessons, you cannot move to the next lesson. And if I'm just saying free form, that means without even having to complete these two lessons, I can just or without even having to learn all this first and the second topic, I can directly jump to the third topic. So you can change those options from these radio buttons. And whoever has enrolled in your course, you will get those get that information from these two places. Okay, so you basically get the you can do one thing, you can assign any course user to your course. You will get the list over here. You can just click on this and move them over here. So whenever you add the users from this side to the left hand side, that person is basically added to this particular course. Okay, so you can do that from here. And next is group. So basically when it comes to the group, you can do one thing, you can create a group, and inside of that group you can add the users and you can add the group leader. Okay, so if you're having the users, it's like assigning the class monitor to particular class. So we are basically not making use of this option as of now, because we are not having any user in our website, so we cannot just make use of this option. Okay, so if you want to know how to do that, you can just go and check out on the website of the LearnDash. So this is all for this lesson, guys. Thanks for watching. This is really very lengthy lesson. Is almost about half an hour. So most of the time we basically don't make use of this group, and it is not required also, but for sake of their construction purpose, they have given this option. but you won't be in need of this. But still, if you want, you can just go and learn from the website of the Learn Dash. But this is how you can structure your course. This is how you can build a course landing page. Then you can build the structure of the course from this builder section. Then you can change the settings over here. I will be making the second part on how to change the settings in the future classes. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this course. Thanks a lot. So what's up, guys? Welcome to the course of WordPress web development. And in this class we are looking at how to develop the learning management system. So after clicking on this learn dash LMS, click on the settings. So basically this is the settings section in which you can change the setting. So over here, this is the active template which it shows, which is learn dash 3.0, and other one is legacy. Don't change this. So basically you don't have to change most of the things over here. So as a beginner, just stay out of all these things. So basically if you want to change the accent color, then you can do that. If you want any help, just click on this and it will says it will give you the required information. It says the main color used throughout the theme. Okay, so like the buttons, action items, and the highlighting. Then the progress color is basically this color. And then the notifications warning, whatever you're getting, it will be shown in this particular color. Okay, so if there are any warnings which you have to be given, then this will be color. You can change those colors from here. Then the focus mode, and etc etc. If you want to change the logo of your website, so logo of the website is basically this logo. If you want to change this logo, then you can just select the image from your media directory, or you can upload it over here. You can just select the image wherever it is. You have to select that image and you have to upload it. And you can replace the icon of your website what appears over here from this place. Then the video responsive. Okay, so as of now there is one video over here. I will show you how to do this. So if I'm just minimizing, this is how the view will be shown on the this mobile. So it is resizing itself according to the screen width. So as of now, this is the screen width of my browser, so it will adjust itself accordingly. So all those settings are done with the help of this. Then the WP profile, etc etc. Don't mess around with anything over here. Then we have the custom labels. So over again, this is basically if you want to give the label to the courses. If you want to label courses with some label, then you can do that. And whenever you need any help, you can just click on this and just read. So it says label to replace the courses. If you want to in place of the courses, if you want to use some other word and all, then you can just write that word over here. Okay, so there are everything there is everything present over here. You can just give the corresponding word. If you want to give the different word for lesson, then you can do that from here. Okay, you just have to give that whatever word that you want to give on this place. Then is PayPal setting. So if you want to directly accept the payment from the Learn Dash management system, then you can do that from this place. So whatever on any PayPal account where you want to accept the payment, you have to give that payment this PayPal email ID over here. Then the PayPal currency. Okay, so if you are from India, you have to write rupee over here. If you want to accept the payment in the US dollars, then you have to say US dollar. USD stands for US dollars. Then the PayPal country, if you are Indian, just type out IN. For US it is US. For other countries there might be some other code which you just have to click on this link over here to check it out. And in order to get access to this link, you must be logged into your PayPal. Okay, so first of all you have to be log into your dashboard. Then only you'll be able to see this corresponding codes and all. Then whenever anyone cancels on the PayPal, then you have to provide this link. Okay, so this is the returning link, then the PayPal notify URL, etc etc. Okay, so don't change these options over here. And next is data upgrade and support, translation, LMS license. So this all these three items are actually not required over here. So this is all about the settings of a learning management system. Thanks for watching. Okay, so don't change this three last three sections. And if you want to see the license of your LMS, you will be able to see that over here. And these are some of the other required information, which is actually as of now is not required by us. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and this is our learning management system development class. Okay, so now let me just show you how to make your courses free and paid. So now let me just open this in incognito mode. And okay, so as can be seen, all of our this three courses are free, and this is the text which I've changed, which let me just show you how to do that. So as of now, what I'll do is I will just click on the courses over here. Let me just open my courses. Let me just take the example of this first course, which is social media marketing course. As of now, it is free. Let me just show you how to change this settings. Let me open this lesson in the new tab. I will go to settings. Okay, so this is where we have left last time. So now what I'll do is I will just come over here and I will say open, and I will say upgrade. And when I say open and upgrade, let me just refresh this page. That means I can come to this course over here, and I can access the content of this course. I can directly go to any section and I can access the this content. As can be seen, I'm able to see the content without even having to register. So this is the open. That means you don't have to register. If I'm just saying free, and if I'm just upgrading this, now let me just come to my website as a visitor. Okay, so now I'm a visitor. I will come to this course. I will click on this, and if suppose I'm trying to access the content, it says you don't have currently access to this course. Even if I'm just clicking on it, I won't be getting the access to the course content. Okay, so if I want to get the access to the course content, then I have to come over here and I have to log in. But if I'm the new user, I'm coming to this website for first time, then I have to register. Okay, so this is how you have to do this. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will again come back, and now we will see how to give this buy now option. If I'm just saying this course is for 20, I will say upgrade, and I will come over here, and let me just go to my website over again. And now if suppose I want to take this course, I have to pay the $20. I will say see more, and now in order to buy this course, I have to log in, and I will enter my email ID over here and the password. And first of all, in order to get this course, I have to register. Okay, so I will show you exactly how to carry out that registration process and all. So as of now, let's just see how to choose this closed option. So this is really very important. First of all, if suppose I want to buy this particular course for 20, then I will add that 20 option over here. Then I will add the button URL. Okay, so now your next question might be from where we could get this button URL. So previously you must have installed the CARTFLOWS. Okay, so this is the CARTFLOWS. I will open the CARTFLOWS in the new tab. Then click on flows over here. So over here you have to create the flows. Okay, so after creating the flow, you have to give the link of that flow on this particular button. Okay, so now let me just tell you all how to do that. Click on add new, and now we will be accepting the payment for this. Okay, so just search for inline checkout. This is that. You can just preview the template over here. So this is how it looks. So it has so much of content over here, and this is the billing. This is important, this is required by us, which is where person will enter their details like the first name, last name, then the country, then all these details. Then the person will select the option whether it is cash on delivery or PayPal. But we are making the courses, so we are selling online courses, so we will disable this cash on delivery option, and we will give the option for PayPal. Okay, so now and next page what we have over here is this thank you page. Okay, so once the customer pays the product, then the person will be directed to this thank you page, and it will show you all the details like what is downloaded by you, what the product that is purchased by you, etc, etc. So now what I'll do is I will download this particular or I will import this particular template. It basically has the two steps: step one of this buying the product, and step two of thank you page. Let it get imported. Okay, so these are those two steps. You can give the name, and when it comes to the giving the name, what you can do is you can give the name of your this course only to be on the safer side. Okay, so I will give that name over here. And if you want to edit this page, if I'm just viewing at this page, it looks something like this. Okay, so if you don't want to if you don't want this text, if you don't want this logos text, this image, this text, this text and all, then what you can do is you can remove this by clicking on this edit with Elementor. You can delete all these things, but since this is a tutorial, I won't be doing that. And this is our thank you page. Okay, so now when it comes to the giving the link to this button, you have to give the link of this page. Okay, so this link what you see over here, just select this entire link and copy paste it over here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Click on update. Actually I'm showing you all these things in a reverse format, so now let's just proceed. Okay, so now what you can do is next is our editing to the thank you page. So these are our first two steps, which is the checkout page and the thank you page. You have to edit this. Okay, so I will first say edit the checkout page. Okay, so now just scroll down and place the order button text. Okay, so whenever any person will be coming, and if the person want to buy this product, whatever text that you want to show on the particular product, you have to give that text over here. Okay, so I will say buy course. Okay, so because we are buying the course, and don't click on anything. So first of all, you have to select a product over here. So now your next question might be, what is this product, and how to create the product, and how to select the product. So again, go to the dashboard. Okay, and over here you will see these products. Okay, so open this in the new tab, and over here you have to create your product. So click on add new, and whatever course name that is present over here, you have to give the same name over here. Okay, so same name you have to give to the product. So this is little bit difficult, guys, so just please pay attention. And just come down below, and you have to select whether this is a simple product or group product, affiliate, or the variable. But this is the tutorial, this is the course selling tutorial, so don't go with any other this option. These are basically for the e-commerce product selling products, so just keep it simple, simple product only. And next is regular product and the sales product. If there is a product whose market price is 2000 rupees, but if you are if you want to sell that particular product for 1000, then you have to put that 2000 over here. I will put the 2000 over here, and I want to sell a particular product for 1000. Okay, so I will put that particular product price over here. If you want to schedule this, if suppose you want to give this discount, that is 50% discount for this period of time. Okay, so if you want to give this particular offer from 11th November to 20th November, then you can just do one thing and select that particular date and select this particular date. Okay, so this product, whatever product that we are making, will be sold at 1000 rupees from this particular interval of time only. But as of now you are a beginner, so you can just click on this cancel, but sake of your education purpose I'm teaching everything. So next is inventory. So this is not required by us. Then the shipping, this is not required. Linking product, this is not required. Then the attribute, this is not required. Then the advance, this is also not required. Then they get more options, this is also not required. Okay, so the only thing that is required by us is this particular thing. We are just creating a product. Okay, so once you create a product, click on publish. Now our product has been published. Okay, so if I'm just going to all my products, then now I'm having this product of social media marketing, and it is basically of 2000 rupees, but we are selling it for 1000 rupees. Okay, so now what we have to do is we just have to come over here and select that product. Okay, so now just refresh this page. Just scroll down, and now just click on the select product, and you have to search for that product. Okay, so write the first letter, and it will suggest you that particular product. It is not giving the product name. Okay, let's see what okay, social media marketing, it's the same name. Copy this and search for that name over here. Okay, so now the product has been listed over here. Select a particular product, and now what you have to do is let's see what else we can do. Okay, so now is checkout fields. Okay, so you can do one thing. If you want to give the coupons, if a particular person is using some particular coupon, then and you can enable these coupons by clicking on this option. Then enable shipping to different address. This is basically WooCommerce product, this is not required. Enable custom field editor, let's keep this enabled. Okay, so what fields that you want, whether you want the first name of person, last name of person. So if I'm just showing you all in this in new tab, let's see. Okay, so those fields are not shown over here. Okay, so whatever information that is required by you, like the first name, last name, the country, street, everything. Okay, so whatever information that is needed by you, you can put all those fields over here. If suppose I don't want the company name of a person and all, then just click on this, and just click on this I, and it will be gone. Okay, if suppose I don't want the pin code, and if suppose I don't want the apartment, then the suite or the unit, etc, etc, then click on this I button and it will be gone. Okay, so whenever you click on any of these fields, click on update. So once you make all these changes, click on update, and next is our thank you page. Okay, so now this is the next thing which we have to edit. So go to the thank you page. Okay, so over here we are not making much changes, but if suppose after taking the course, if you want to direct the user to some particular place on your website, then you can do one thing. Redirect after purchase, you can just click on this enable. And if suppose if a person makes the purchase, if a person is buying this particular product, then what I can do is I can direct that particular person to the course content of that course, or I can do one thing. It is always safer to redirect person to the index page. I can redirect the person to the index this my account page. So I will copy the link of my accounts, and I will come over here and I will paste it over here. Okay, so this is how you can redirect the person. Okay, so once the person makes the purchase, person will be redirected to the my accounts page over here. Or you can do one thing. If suppose I was making the product, I mean the flow, the currently whatever things we are making over here, this is known as the flow. Okay, so we are making this flow with the help of the cart flows. So if suppose I was making the that particular flow for this course, then I would have directed that person to this course landing page. Then I just have to copy this URL of the course and I have to paste it over here. Okay, so once that particular person buys that particular course, I can direct the person to the course page of that particular course. Okay, or to be on the safer side, let's just direct the person to the my accounts page. Okay, because from the my accounts also person can access courses that are taken by that particular person. Okay, so I will say update, and if suppose now I'm coming over here, now as a visitor I'm coming to my website, and now if suppose I want to buy this course, I will say see more, and I will say take this course. Then I am taken to this page, and I will scroll down. Now you just have to enter all your details. Okay, and this is the price for which we are getting the course of 1000. If you have a coupon, then you can apply that coupon over here and you can get the discount and all. I will show you how to do those coupons. So once a person fills out all these details and places the order, then the person will be getting the access to that particular course. Okay, so this is how you can enable the enable this payment option. But over here you must have seen that only payment option we are getting is InstaMojo and not the PayPal and all. Okay, so currently the problem over here is that CartFlows works in association with the WooCommerce plugin. So whatever payment options that are present inside of the WooCommerce, only those payment options will be shown over here. Okay, so now I want to tell you one thing over here. So just now the entire process what we have seen is a reverse process. Okay, so for first of all what we have done is we have come to this page, then we have selected this close option, and we have given the price, then we have given the link of the cart flows over here. Okay, so this was our flow, and we have given the link of this first step over here. Okay, so after giving the first step, then we have made the changes to this, and when it comes to the making use of the cart flows, we will be in need of the product. Okay, so in order to make use of that product or link that product with this flow, we have created the product from this this option over here. Okay, so from this we have came to a conclusion that during the payment option, we are getting the only one payment option, that is the InstaMojo, and not the PayPal. This is because we are making use of the product over here. Okay, and that product falls under this WooCommerce. Okay, so this is the WooCommerce plugin, and the product what we have created over here, it falls under this plugin over here. And if you want the more payment options, if suppose you want the PayPal payment option, then the Stripe payment option, then what you do is you just have to integrate those payment methods with the WooCommerce. Okay, so now let me just tell you how to do that. Just go to the settings, just open this settings in a new tab, and over here you have to go to the payments, and inside of the payments we have got so many options over here, but as of now the only enabled option is InstaMojo. If you want the PayPal, enable the PayPal. If you want cash on delivery, if you are selling the products and all, like clothes and all, then cash on delivery option is available. You can just turn it on. If you want a direct bank transfer, click on this option. Okay, so once you make all these changes, click on save changes, and now this many payment options are enabled for WooCommerce. Okay, so now if I'm just going to my checkout page and refreshing it, now I'm getting these three options, which is InstaMojo, PayPal, or direct bank transfer. Okay, so now I can select whatever payment option that I want, and I can allow my buyers to make a payment. Okay, so this is how you have to enable the payment options. Okay, so as a beginner, I would like to tell you all one thing over here. You just have to stick to these two options, like providing your courses for free or buying your courses directly from the this learn dash management learn dash course management system. But if you want to learn something advanced, then you can make use of the cart flows, and I've shown you how to give the link of the cart flows over here, and how to attach your product to the cart flows over here. Okay, so if you want to sell the products with the help of the cart flows, then you have to first create the product, then you have to attach that product to your cart flows in these steps, and after that, you once you create this flow, you have to give the link of the first step uh, in this button URL section. Okay, so this is how this cart flows is working with the help of the learn dash, and over again this cart flows is working again in association with the WooCommerce. Okay, so in our next class I will show you how to set up this WooCommerce. So basically I was supposed to be showing you the tutorials of the WooCommerce before this cart flows, but this is how it turned out to be. But this will be easy for you all. I will show you how to make use of the WooCommerce and how to set up the WooCommerce for the learning management system. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will show you how to make use of the WooCommerce in the next tutorial. So what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and previously we have seen how to link the cart flows with your learning management system over here, and let me just close all these things because this is not required by us in this tutorial. Okay, so let me close everything. I will close this also. Okay, so this is our WooCommerce. Let me just open the WooCommerce in a new tab. I will show you how to set up the WooCommerce and what are the changes that you have to make. Okay, so first is home, where you will find all this information which is not required by you. Then comes the orders. So basically this order section is for people who are selling products like the clothes, then the accessories and all with the help of the WooCommerce plugin. So this is for those people, but since we are building the learning management system, so this is not required by us. Next is customers. So this is also for people who are selling products online, and this is where the information of the people will be kept. Even for you all the people who are buying your product or the courses, you will find information of those people over here. Okay, and next is coupons. Okay, so over here you can create the coupon. Okay, so now over again, let me just take an example. I will open my website in incognito mode. Okay, so this is my course, which is social media marketing. If I want to buy this, then I have to pay $20. Okay, so I will click on this take this course, then I'll be taken to this page where I have to make payment. And if suppose I want to make use of the coupon, then what I'll do, I will put the coupon code over here and click on apply. Okay, so whatever discount code is associated with that coupon, I will get a discount over here. So now as a website builder, what I'll do is I will come over here, and now let me show you how to create a discount code. I will say add coupon, then I will give the name to that particular coupon. Coupon 10, and this is the name. So basically coupons are in the uppercase. I will say DESC 10. Okay, so I will say DESC 10. If you want to add a description about this coupon, this is for your purpose, this is for sake of your understanding. Okay, so this basically don't have any relationship with anything. If you want, you can write a description. Okay, so this is our coupon code, which is DESC 100. DSC 10, sorry. Now just come over here and click on general settings. Okay, so next the first option is fixed card discount. Okay, so first option we have this percentage discount. If you want to give the 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, then you will say the percentage discount, and you will give the percentage like the 20% off or 10% off, whatever that is. And next what we have is a fixed card discount. Okay, so currently this product what we have over here is of 1000 rupees, but if suppose you want to give the discount of just 200, then you will apply the 200 over here. Okay, so you will give the amount as a 200 as a fixed card discount. And a fixed product discount is basically the discount on particular product. So what you can do is you can just put this particular coupon on not just one product but on the 2-3 products or all the products. Okay, so this is that third option, which is fixed product discount. And now I'll show you how to select that particular product. Currently we are having this currently what is this going on? Okay, currently I'm having this 4 courses for this 4 courses over here. If suppose I want to give the 200 off on all these 4 courses, okay, all these 4 courses, then what I'll do is I will say fix product discount, and I will say 200. And now if I want to make use of this coupon on all these 4 courses, then what I'll do is I will click on this usage restriction. Then you can say, okay, so minimum number of times, how many minimum number of times this coupon could be used. Okay, so I could say minimum number of times this coupon could be used for 5 times, and maximum could be you can only use this coupon only for 10 times. Okay, you cannot use this coupon for more than 20 times. Okay, so this is how you can put the limit. If you want any information, then you can just click on this and you can access. Okay, so it says this field allows you to set the minimum spend allowed to use a coupon, and this is the maximum spend. And now this is the individual use only, and exclude the sales item, whatever that is. Okay, so now here comes this selecting that particular product. Okay, so now whatever products that is created by you, these are our products. Okay, these are our products. Click the all the products in a new tab. So currently we are having these 3 products. Okay, so social media marketing, the first product, and the content marketing. 3 products are present over here. So now what I'll do is I will first type out the name of the products over here. Okay, so now type out the name of the products, and that product will be shown. Select that particular product on which you want to apply this particular coupon. And if you want to exclude some particular product, then you can do that. Okay, so if I don't want this particular coupon code, this disc 10 to be applied on this course or this this particular product or this particular product, then you just have to give the name of that particular product over here, and it will not be applied on that particular product. Okay, then if you want, you can just put the product category, then the exclude category, the allowed emails, etc, etc. If you want to give this coupon on some category of products, you can do that. You can make the category of products, and you can select that over here. But as of now, this is what we have to know, that this is how we can put the restrictions. Then the usage limit. Okay, usage limit per coupon. Okay, so you can say the one coupon could be used only for 10 times, or only for 1 time, or only for 5 times. Okay, so if I'm just using this coupon for 6 times, then after using for 6 times, this coupon will get useless. You can select that. You can put those restrictions or limitations from this place. And this is a limit usage to X item. like you can apply this coupon on one particular item for this many times, that many times. If you want any information, then you can just click on this and you will say you will see the required information. It says the maximum number of the individual items this coupon can apply to when using the particular discount. Okay, so if there is one particular course, if suppose this course is there and I want to give this course for free for first 10 students who are enrolling, then I can make a coupon and put a restriction like 10. Okay, so whoever make the first 10 people who are making use of this coupon will get the particular discount. I can put that I can change that restriction from this place. Then the usage limit per person. Okay, so I could say one person can use this coupon for only one time or two time, and this is applied to all the qualified items in the cart. It says the maximum number of the individual items this coupon can apply to. Leave blank to apply to all the qualified items in the cart. Okay, so this is related to the cart. Even I'm not aware of this option. Let's just forget about it. Okay, so now we have created the coupon. I will say publish. Okay, so now this coupon basically gives me the fixed product discount of 200 rupees. So now what I'll do is I will come over here and now suppose I want to buy this course. I will say take this course. I will just come down below and the coupon code was disc 10. I will apply it over here. The maximum spend for this coupon is 10. Okay, so that maximum spend we have to change. The maximum spent, no limit. Okay, so I will update this. Okay, so now I have applied this coupon and now it can be seen I'm getting the 200 rupees off. So this is because I have given the coupon amount of 200. If suppose I want to give the percentage, okay, so now if suppose I want to give the 50% off, then I will say 50 and I will update. Now I will come over here, I will remove this and I will apply it over again. Okay, so now it's can be seen I'm getting the 50% off. Initially it was, this course was for 1000 and now I'm getting this course for 500 rupees only. Okay, so this is because I have applied the percentage discount and the percentage discount is 50%. Okay, so this is how you can create the coupons. And next option, where were we? We were inside of the WooCommerce. I will open the WooCommerce in a new tab. Then let's go to the settings. Settings is important. Okay, so now this is the store information. Whenever you are selling the product or courses, one email goes to that particular person when that person buys your product. Okay, so to that person this information will be sent, like the address of the store, then the city, country, then the zip code. Okay, so whatever information that you want, this is basically the personal information. Whatever you want to enter over here, you can just enter. Okay, so from this point to this point, this is your personal information like your address and all. If you want, you can just fill it out. And next is general options. Okay, so selling location. Okay, so in which many locations of the countries you are selling your courses or products. I can just select that. You can say sell to all the countries, sell to countries except one or two countries, or sell to specific countries. If I'm just saying sell to specific countries, then you have to select the country, like whether I'm selecting in I could say I'm selling only in India and Australia. Okay, so if I'm selling my courses only in Australia and India, I can just select those two particular countries over here. Or you can say sell to all the countries except you just have to select that exception countries. Okay, I'm selling to all the countries except Algeria or Afghanistan. Okay, You can change those options from this place. And the shipping location where you want to ship, you can say ship to all the countries or ship to specific countries, disable shipping and the shipping calculation, etc, etc. Okay, so you can again select those options from this place. I will say ship to all the countries, and the default customer location, yeah, you can just select the geolocation or shop based address or no location by default. Okay, so default customer location is let's say we are selecting this as no location for a default. So basically this is for your purpose. Okay, so whenever your data is getting stored in a database and all, then by default it will say no location. It will not save any location for customer whenever customer is buying your product. But if you want, you can just select the address of your shop, or you can select the geolocation. Okay, so this is how the customer default location could be set. And next is enabling the text. Okay, so when it comes to this enabling the text, this option is for product selling websites. This is not for us. This is enabling the coupons. Just now we have seen how to enable or make use of the coupons. You can select or enable or disable those options from here. Okay, so if you just disable these options, then you will not get this field. Okay, so this field will be removed. And next is currency options. You can select whatever currency that you want. I've selected Indian rupee. There are a lot many currency options present over here which you can set. Then the currency position. Okay, so you can say left, right, left with space, the right with space if you want any information. Then you can just click on this and just see this controls the position of the currency symbol. Okay, so this symbol, or you see this is currently at the left hand side. By default all the currency symbols are always at the left hand side. You can change this from this place. So let's keep it at the left only. And the thousand separators. Thousand separator is basically this comma that you see. After 1000 I'm getting this comma. Okay, so this is because of the thousand separator. And next is decimal separator. Decimal separator is basically this decimal. Okay, after this two zeros I'm getting this decimal point. This is because of the decimal separator. And next is number of the decimals. Number of decimals is 2, and because of which I'm getting this 2 zeros after decimal point. If you have selected a 3, then we will get the 3 zeros after this decimal point. So whenever you make any changes over here, you can you must say save changes, otherwise those changes won't be getting replicated. Let me just remove all these things. And the next is products. Okay, so when it comes to the shop page, let this be shop page only, don't change this to anything. So this is basically tells about your shopping page where all the products are kept. So by default it's a shop. If you want, you can change to some other page if you have created some different page and all. Add to cart behavior, redirect the cart page after successful addition, or you can enable the ajax add to cart button. Okay, and the placeholder images are 5. This is the attached id or image url. This is not required. And measurements like the weight unit, then the decimal unit. This is for product selling websites, like the websites which sell products like the clothes and all. This is for them, this is not for us. And if you want to enable the reviews and all, this is also not for us, because on our website we cannot take the reviews from this WooCommerce. This is for product selling websites. Okay, so this is not required by us. Next is shipping. Over here you have to add the shipping zone and all. This is for product selling websites, not for us. Next is payment. Okay, so whatever payment option that you want, you can just enable that payment options from here. So currently there are this many payment options. By default you will get the whenever you will be installing this WooCommerce plugin for first time, you will get this option, then this option, this, and so basically these first 4 options that you get over here, this will be installed with this plugin by default, and this InstaMojo, Stripe, etc, etc, which these are installed by me. If you want to install this option, then just do one thing: go to plugins, just click on add new, and over here you have to search for plugin like say Stripe for search for Stripe for WooCommerce over here. Okay, so Stripe for WooCommerce, this is the one which is installed by me. You will get 2-3 options, so you can select this one or this one. Okay, so once you click first you have to click on install now, then you have to activate. After that you will get this many options, so you can select whatever that you want. And next is InstaMojo. Let's see if we are getting InstaMojo or not. Okay, so this is that InstaMojo for Woo. Let's see whether it is available for WooCommerce. Okay, so you have to install this, click on install and activate, then you will get this InstaMojo option over here. Okay, so which you have to enable. So this is the place from where you can enable the payment options. Next is account and privacy. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so allow the customers to place the order without an account. If you want to allow the customers to place an order without an account, then you can just check this out. But from my point of view, this shouldn't be allowed. Allow the customers to log into the existing account during the checkout. You can allow this, and then you have to select these 3 options, which is allow the customers to create an account during the checkout, then allow the customers to create the account on my account. When creating an account, automatically generate a password. So basically whenever a account will be created, password will be generated and sent to the email ID of that particular person. Okay, and after that you don't have to select any of these options, then go to the emails. Okay, so this is basically the emailing system. Whenever a person creates an email, whenever a person creates an order or buys a course, you will be sent one email from this website to your email ID. Your whatever email ID that you have given, you will be sent an email that particular person has enrolled to your course. Or whenever any person cancels the order, you will get the email from this website that particular person has cancelled the order. Or whenever order fails, you will get email ID sorry, you will get email from this particular website. Next is integration. So this is basically not required by us. If you want to integrate the WooCommerce with anything, that you can do those integrations from this place. Next is advanced. So over here, this is the all about the cart flow page and checkout page, my account page. Then if you have any terms and conditions, then you can select you first of all you have to create a terms and condition page, then you have to select it over here. Okay, so I could select my privacy page over here. Then when it comes to buying something online, then your website must have the SSL certificate. So you can just click on this force secure checkout, and in order to do that, you must be having the SSL certificate. Okay, so you can enable that option from this place, and rest everything over here is okay from my point of view. Don't mess with anything as of now. Okay guys, so this was all about the required information about the WooCommerce. So whatever changes that I have told you all to make, just make sure that you are propagating those necessary changes and carrying out your process smoothly. Okay, so if you are getting any errors, you can drop me a message and I'll be always there to help you out. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development. In the previous class, in few classes we have seen that we are getting this preview over here. If I'm just scrolling down, for this course I'm getting this video preview. If I'm just clicking on this, then I will be able to see that there is a video preview which is going on. You can give this video preview. Let me just show you how to do that. You can even change the text of this ribbon and text of this blue ribbon over here. So in order to do that, just go to your course, click on edit over here. So now if you want to give the introduction about your course, then you can tell the introduction or whatever, what things that you will be teaching in the course, what things that your course contains and all in the preview video. So if you want to give the preview video, then you just have to go to the settings, just scroll down, and there was this option of course preview. Just scroll down and okay, so over here you just have to click on this enable the video preview, and you have to provide the link of this video preview. Okay, so whatever video that you want to show over here, you just have to provide the link. If suppose I want to provide the video preview of this link, then what I'll do, I'll come over here and I will paste that link over here. Okay, so this is basically the link of YouTube video and the custom button text. Okay, custom button text is basically the text what you see over here on this button. Whatever text that you want on this button, I will enter that over here. I will say watch preview. Okay, and whatever text that you want on this ribbon, this green color bar ribbon, you just have to add it over here. I will say ribbon. Okay, so this is how you can change the content, and whatever short description that you see over here, this is the short description of this course. You can add that short description in this particular area. Okay, so whatever short description that you add, all that short description will be shown over here. Okay, so this is how you can change the front end of your course. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, and in this class we will see how to generate the automatic certificate for your course that is created by you. So in order to create a certificate, you just have to go to the canva.com and search for template certificate over here. You will see few templates over here. You can just select whatever template that you want, or you can create a template of your own. Okay, so let me just select this template. Okay, so I will select this template over here. So when it comes to the certificate basically has the name of the person, then the authority who has created it, and then the name of the course which a person has completed. Okay, so what you can do is you can over here you can put your signature, then the stamp of your authority and all. Okay, so let's see whether this is good or not. Okay, it is not working. I don't know for what reason. Okay, so now what I'll do is over here I want name of my student or user. Okay, so because of which I will remove this particular thing. I will select everything over here and I will just increase its size a little bit. Okay, so you can just put this down below. This is basically the authority who is responsible for this. Okay, so what you can do is you can just design this. Let me just pause this video for a while, otherwise this will be too lengthy. So I will design the required things over here, and I will tell you how to upload the certificate and all. Okay, so as of now I'm just stopping this video. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will just increase this size by 21, no, 28. Okay, and I will do the very same thing with this also. I will increase this size by 28. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will say click on this download over here, and I will download in the form of JPEG. I will say show in folder, and this is that. I will just drop it on the desktop. Now let me just upload my certificate. Okay, so go to certificates tab over here, click on the certificates, click on add the first certificate. Okay, so after you come over here, you will basically get this option over here, set the featured image. Click on this set the featured image, then go to the upload files, then you have to search for that file. This is that file. I will upload it. I'll just set as featured image over here. Just scroll up, and whatever certificate that you are creating, will see the visuals of the certificate over here. Okay, and if you don't want this sidebar and all, then click on this tab over here and it will be gone. Okay, so click on text, click on image. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this course, and in this class we will see how to create certificate. Okay, so in order to create certificate, just go and click on the certificates tab over here. You can create whatever number of certificates that you want. This is one certificate which was previously created by me, but let me just create brand new. So I will click on add new over here on the top. Then I will give the name as web dev certificate. This is the name. Okay, so just come down below, click on set the featured image, and now you just have to upload the certificate that you have. So previously we have seen how to design certificate on the Canva. So I have one downloaded certificate. Let's see where it is. Okay, so this is the certificate. I will click on open. Okay, then I will click on this set featured image. Okay, so after that you can see your certificate over here. So now what you have to do is just click on this visuals. So whatever featured image that is uploaded by you, you just have you will start seeing that featured image over here. But if you don't see featured image over here inside of the visuals, click on publish. Okay, let's see whether it is available or not. Okay, so even okay, so once you click on publish, after that you will start seeing your certificate over here. Okay, okay, so currently as can be seen, this certificate looks half only. So just click on refresh. Let's see what happens after refreshing the page. Click on visuals. Okay, so even after that it is going off screen. I think there is a problem with the dimensions of the certificate. What you can do is you can just select the right dimensions for your certificate, but as of now I won't be wasting my time. Let's just proceed further. Okay, so when it comes to the certificate, it says a certificate of participation. This is award to over here. The first name and the last name of the person will come, and for completing, and over here down below the course name should come. But as of now, our certificate is going off screen. You can just manage the size. So you basically just have to pay attention while designing the certificate. Just see what is the dimension when it comes to the academic certificate, and then you can design the certificate and upload it over here. Okay, so now first of all we have to add first name and the last name over here. Okay, so these are automatic generated certificates, so we cannot just add the first name and the last name of a user directly. Okay, so when it comes to me, you cannot just directly write Akshay Maikar over here. Okay, because each and every user have a different name, right? So we will make use of the shortcode. Okay, so just click on this computer which is Landesh shortcodes. then it will show you this data. Okay, so first of all, there is a first tab which says course information and the quiz information and the user meta. Basically we want to display the first name and the last name of the user. We will go to the user meta, and we will see the required details what we want. Okay, so these are some of the options. So we basically want the user's first name, so I will click on this and I will say insert shortcode, and let's see. Okay, so this is the place where the shortcode is. Okay, so now let me just get the shortcode down below. This is the shortcode. Okay, so I will copy the shortcode, and okay, let me just move this shortcode down below, and over here. Okay, so I want the user's first name to come over here, and I also want the user's last name. Okay, so I will again click on this, and I want the user's last name. I will say insert shortcode, and over here user's first name and the last name will be displayed. Okay, I want this at the center, so I will highlight this and I will click on this align center, and user's first name and the last name will be aligned at the center. Then I want course name, okay, for completing, and after that I want to display the course name. So I will come down below, and I will go to this tab over again, and now I want to display the course names. I will select this course title. There are a lot many other options present also. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you will see lot many options. You can select whatever that you want. You can even show the percentage and everything. Okay, so all these options are present over here. So now I want to display the course titles. I will select the course title and I will say insert a shortcode. So now I am having this course title. I will highlight this and I will click on this and I will say align center. I hope it is at the center. So currently problem is that our certificate has been cropped out, because of which it is exactly not at the center. Okay, sorry guys for that. Okay, so once you make all these changes, click on update, and let's see whether this certificate is working properly or not. First of all, let's just go and see the preview. I hope this there is a preview. Oops. Okay guys, now what we will do is okay, so over here we have these visuals. From the visuals we can add the required changes, whatever we want to add to certificate. But if you want to make changes to the code, then click on this text, and over here you will see the equivalent code for your certificate. Okay, so you can change the code from here also. So now I will open my courses in the new tab, and I will assign the certificate to any of my course. Okay, let me just also open my website in the new tab, and currently these are some of the free courses like the social media marketing, email marketing strategies is also there. Let me just assign it to the social media marketing. I will come over here, social media marketing. I will click on edit. I will open this as a new tab. You just have to open the course and assign the certificate to the course, so that whenever that course is completed by any user, that user could be awarded with the certificate. Okay, so just directly click on the settings on the top, what you see over here, the third tab. Click on settings, and from here you just have to select the certificate. My certificate name was web dev certificate. Click on update. Okay, so in order to get the certificate, first of all you have to complete that course. Okay, so I will come over here. This is that course. Let me just scroll down. I'm not enrolled, so first of all let me just enroll. Okay, so I forgot that previously this course was finished by me. Okay, so if you want to finish any course, just do one thing. Just go to the course content over here. Okay, and after going to course content, just come down below, and you will see option down below here, mark section completed or something. You just have to click on that, and you have to mark all the sections that you have completed, all the sections. As of now I'm not getting that option because I've already completed the course. Okay, Once you complete your all the sections and the courses and the topics, then you will get this 100% completed. Okay, so then you can just directly go to the course home or your account. Let me just go back. Okay, so once you complete your course, you will get this download certificate. Click on this. Okay, so this is how my certificate looks. Okay, so over here it says certificate of participation. This is the award to excellence debonair for completing social media marketing, but this don't look that good. Okay, the first name, last name, and the this name, this actually don't look good. So what I'll do, I will come over here, and now I have to edit the certificate. So let me see how it looks. I just want this text to be bigger in size, so I will do one thing. Instead of I will go to this visuals, and I want to increase its size. Okay, so I will highlight this. I will just go to the top, and there should be a size option over here. Okay, so there is no method to increase the size of this text and all. Okay, so over here we don't find any option. So what we will do is we'll go to the text section over here, and inside of this there is this code. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, so over here there is this p opening tag. This is a p opening tag, and this is the p closing tag. And inside of this, this is over here user's first name will be displayed, and this will be replaced by the user's last name. Okay, so basically that data is this thing, user's first name and the last name. So now what we want to do is we just want to have we are just looking how to increase the size of this text. We can write code over here. I will show you how to write that code. Okay, so just come over here after this even if you see this p tag over here, just put this style attribute and is equal to, then this inside this double quotes you can write the code. Just take a little bit of space, then see font hyphen size, then colons, then you just have to specify the size. I will say 400 pixels and one semicolon. Just update this code, and come over here and refresh this page. Okay, so now as can be seen, it's just the size is just too big. So now let me just reduce it a little bit. So I will make this 150. I will say update. I will come over here and refresh. Okay, so now this big size is good from my point of view, but it was supposed to come over here, but it came down below. So now you just have to come over here on this page, and just have to remove this NBSP. NBSP is nothing but it's a space. Okay, so we are just reducing the space. This is the code. NBSP code is basically for space. So I will come over here and I will refresh this page over again. Still I have to reduce a little bit of space. I will remove one more, and I will click on update. Okay, so this is how you just have to make changes, and you have to check how this is working. Okay, still I want little bit of space. I will remove one more NBSP, and I will click on update. I'll come over here and I will refresh. Okay, so now this looks a little bit better. Okay, so let me just come over here over again, and let me just remove two more. I will say update. I'll come over here and I will refresh this. Okay, so now it just went a little bit above. Okay, so just copy one NBSP and paste it over here and update this. Come to this page over again, refresh. Okay. Okay guys, now it is on the proper it is properly on the place. So if you want, you can even add space in between. Okay, so as of now, in between of this NBSP and this NBSP, I've just added space little bit by hitting the enter key twice. And now as can be seen, our name is properly on the place, but course name is it went down below. Okay, so now we just have to get this back. I think this much of size for this course name is also fine. So what I'll do, I'll come over here and I will copy this very same code, copy this, and this is the code for your course title. Okay, so let me just remove this space so that it becomes easier for you to understand. This is the P opening tag and this is the P closing tag, and inside of that I'm having this course title, and inside of this style attribute, just come over here after the center tag and paste that font size over here and click on update. Come to this page, refresh. Okay, so this looks better, but let me just remove this additional space what we have in between. So I'll come over here and I will remove these two NBSPs and I will say update. I'll come over here over again and I will refresh the page. Okay, so now it is on one page, but not exactly at the place where it was supposed to be. So now let me just remove this space. I will say update. I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so it is somewhat on its place, but let me just remove space and update this. Come over here and refresh. Okay guys, it is on the place, but I think these names of the people they were supposed to be a little bit down below, but let me just do one thing. Let me remove this NBSP as well, and let me just update this code. I'll come over here and refresh this. Okay, so now this looks better, but I cannot say this is the best one, but this is somewhat better. Okay, so let me just add little bit of space. I'll come to this certificate page over again and refresh. Okay, so now this is somewhat better. Okay, this looks somewhat good. So now if you want to make some changes to the visuals and all, and now if you come to the visuals, this looks very dirty. Okay, so you can't even make out what is going on over here, because inside of the visuals it shows how it looks on your front end. Whatever change code we have written over here, this is the visual of that code. Okay, you don't have to worry about how this looks over here. This might not look so good, but when it comes to the generating the certificate over here, we are getting the probably the results that are required by us. Okay, now if suppose you want to change this color and all, then you can do that. You just have to know a little bit of CSS. So if you want to change the text of this font and all, then you can do one thing. Just come over here and you just have to write color and whatever color that you want. If suppose I want a green color, then I will write green, then I will say update. I'll come over here and I will refresh this, and now my text is having a green color. Okay, but over again there are some mistakes. I don't know what just happened. Something went wrong. Let me just remove this and see whether things are going right or wrong. Okay, so previously it was better and now everything has been messed up. So okay guys, I'm not able to resolve this error. uh, so now let me just add little bit of space and update this code. I'll come over here and refresh this. You just have to check, okay? You don't have to do this each and every single time. Once your certificate is ready, everything is done. I don't know what went wrong. Just now it was working fine. We got the probable result, but this looks nightmare. But currently we are only in need of this particular thing. Let me just add one NBSP and I will say update. I'll come over and refresh. Okay, I think this much is enough, and let's see what was wrong with this upper thing. I will enter one NBSP over here also. I will update this, and at least now username should come properly on its place. Username. Okay guys, I think this much is enough, but at least I hope you guys are having idea how to generate the certificate. If there is some different user uh, who has applied for this course, and if we want to download the certificate, then he just have to come over here, click on download the certificate, and just have to come on this place and click on this download button, and certificate will be getting downloaded. Let me just save it over here only. This is the certificate. Let me just open it and show you. Okay, so this is how certificate will be downloaded for a particular person with their name and the name of the course. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is how you can generate the automatic certificate. You can attach this certificate to some different course also. Okay, so if there is this different course, like if suppose I want to attach the certificate on the email marketing strategies, I can come over here to this course. I will basically directly go to the settings, and I will attach the certificate to this course as well. Okay, so if you want to generate the different or if you want to create a different certificate for the different courses, that you can do that as well. Okay, select the certificate. There are two certificates. This is the certificate and this is the web development certificate. I will select this one, and I will say update. Okay, so as long as you are not attaching the course certificate to a particular course, yeah, that particular user who has taken your course won't be able to download the certificate. Okay, so just make sure that you are attaching the certificate if you want to award certificate to them. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all about how to generate the automatic certificate after completing the course. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys? Now in this class we will see how to generate the notifications. Okay, so this is the notification system in which automatic notifications could be sent to the users, to the admin, or anyone associated with your system. So over here there are these few shortcuts which are available over here which you could use. So let me just show you how to generate the notification. So this notification is known as the sign up. Okay, so I will give the name as sign up notification. Whatever name that you want to give, you can give the name. And over here you just have to type out the message that you want to show. So I want this notification to be triggered when the user is enrolled into the course. So there are this many options. Okay, so you could send a notification when the user has completed a quiz, or assignment is uploaded, or assignment is approved, or user faced a quiz, or user completed the topic, etc, etc. So I want a notification to be sent to the admin when a new user is enrolled to the course. Okay, so I will say user enrolled into the course, and you can just select whatever course that you want. I want a notification to be sent to the admin when anyone enrolls in any of my courses. Okay, so I will select all the courses. Then to whom you want to send this notification. Okay, you just have to select the recipient. I want this notification to be sent to the admin of this website. And if you want to select the additional recipients, then you can do that. Okay, over here you can set the delay. Okay, if suppose a student has enrolled today, then you can send notification today only, or you can send it after 1 day or 2 days. Okay, so I will select the 0 because I want to send the notification immediately. And now whatever notification that you want to send, you just have to type out the notification. I will say hello admin, new user has signed up. And now I want to know to which course a new user has signed up. Okay, hello admin, new user has signed up to. Then I will select the course. Okay, so I want to display the course title, to which course a particular user has signed up. So I will paste that over here, signed up to this course. Whatever course a person has signed up, over here name of the course will be displayed. Then I will display the name of the user. I will say user, and I want to display the name of the user. So I want to display the user's first name, and a little bit of space, and I want to display the user's last name. Okay, so user information will be given, like the user's first name and the last name, then the email ID of the user. And in order to display the user's email ID, displays the user's name. Okay, displays the user's email. This is what I want, so I will copy this. I'll come over here and I will paste it over here. Okay, so over here it will send the notification to the admin that new user has signed up to whatever course that a person signs up. Then it will display the name of the user's first name, and a little bit of space, then the user's last name will be displayed, and over here the user's email ID will be displayed. Okay, so if you want to display something else also, then you can just make use of the shortcodes which are available over here. So once you create a notification, click on publish, and whenever anyone signs up to any of this course, this will be notification which will be sent to the admin. Currently the admin of this website is me, so directly notification will come to me. If you want to generate any more notification, then you can do that. Then click on over again, go here, click on add new notification. Then you can send a notification to user also. Okay, so you now I want to send the notification to the user. So let's see what should I select the condition. So I want to send a notification to the user once the user has completed the course. I will select all the courses, and I will set the delay as 0. And when it comes to the user, these many these shortcodes are present. So once when the user completes the course, I will say hello, and I want to display the user's first name and the last name. Okay, so I will first select this. I want to display the first name of the user, and then I want to display the last name. Then I will come down below, completing the course. Congratulations, completing the. Then I will display the course name. So let's just search for course name over here. Then if you want to display some additional information like the score of the person, then the points, percentage, etc, etc, everything is present over here. Like displays some of the point scores across all these quizzes. If your course contains a quiz and all, then you can just display the quiz scores. Then displays the average correct answer counted across all the quizzes. Okay, so if you want to display the percentage and all, let's see where is that percentage. Okay, let me just not add too many things over here. So I will say congratulations the user uh, for completing this course. Then I will say thank you for taking course, something like that, and I will say publish. Okay, so whenever any user will be completing the course, it will say hello, the first name and last name of the user, then congratulations for completing whatever course that was taken by the particular user, and it will say thank you for taking the course. Okay, so this is how you can send notifications to anyone you want, anyone who is included in your system inside of your website. And there are a lot many triggering email triggering conditions which are present over here. You can send emails to anyone like the users and the group leaders or admin, whoever you want to send. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about the notifications. See you all guys in my next tutorial. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class I will show you how to create a complete course. Click on this courses over here, then click on add new. Okay, so this is your course page where you just have to write whatever thing that you want to write about your course. So let me just go back and show you all the example of the course, which are example of some course which is present over here. I will say edit. Okay, so this is a course page of this email marketing strategies course, which by default was present on our website previously. So now what we have to do is I will show you how to design your course. So in order to design the course, click on add new, then you will be taken to this page. The first page what we get is this course page. Over here you just have to give the name of your course. So I will say chatbot course over here. Then you have to add the course content. Okay, so as can be seen over here, first on the first line we are having the name of the course. Then this is the short code. Okay, the first short code is for the visitors are basically the people who have not taken your course. So whenever you visit the course for first time, let me just open this in the new tab. Let me just show you the example. Okay, so let me just come back over here. So this is the email marketing strategies course. If I am going to that course over here, then it is showing me that you're enrolled to this course because I have already enrolled previously. So now let me do one thing. This is not mandatory. Okay, so this is for the visitors. If any user is visiting for first time, you can show them this message that you are not yet enrolled in this course. And this is for students. Okay, like you are enrolled in this course, so basically this code will be shown to the students who are after they have enrolled inside of the course. This is not important. So what as a beginner we don't have to focus on this many things. So what we will do, we will just come over here, and first of all we will give the name of the course as a chatbot course. Then we have to give the course description. I will say course description, and whatever a description of the course that you want to give, you can give that. Just come down below. Then if you want to add something in the list form and all, then you can just click on this and you can select whatever that you want from here. So if you want to search for a list, click on the list. Then I will say build chatbot. Sequences examples. Okay, so whatever things that you want to add into the description of this course, you can add them, add all those things over here. So first of all, I want to add like what will students learn in this course. And if you want to add something extra, then you can do that. Okay, so now let me just explain you all the concept of this short course. So this was the course of email marketing. So I will do one thing. I will open the incognito mode and I will go to my website, email marketing. Okay, so this is that course. I will say see more. And now if I'm scrolling down below, then over here this is the code which is shown to the visitors. I'm visiting this for the first time, and because of this code is shown which says price is free and you are not yet enrolled in this course. Whatever a message that you want to show the visitor, you have to just write that code inside of this short code of the visitors. So this is that particular course. Okay, so it says price is free and you are not yet enrolled in the course. This is the short code. If you want to display this, then do one thing, go to the top of this course description, okay, or wherever you want to display it. Let me just click on this and I will say shortcode. This is the shortcode. I want to add it over here. Okay, and for visitors, let me see what code that is used by these people. Just copy this, paste it over here, and you can just say you are not yet enrolled. Okay, so this will be code shown to the visitors, and okay, so this was basically supposed to come to the top. So click on this top arrow, again click on top. I want to display it over here. Okay, so now this looks fine, and now we have this short code for students. So whenever any student is visiting after enrolling into the course, this will be code shown to them. Let me just show you all. If I am logging in over here, let me just log in. Once I log in, that means I am a student, I am enrolled student. So now if I'm just coming over here, it says you are enrolled in this course. Okay, so now this is the message which is shown to the student. So now if you want to show this message, then you have to add the shortcode of student. So I will come over here and I will click on the add button over here and I will search for shortcode. I will add the shortcode, and if you want to display some message to the student, then just copy this, paste it over here. So guys, this part of the visitor and the student, this is not important. This is for tutorial purpose I'm showing you all, so don't get confused. So whenever you want to show any message to the student, so the only important part is this square bracket student opening part and the closing part of the square bracket part. Inside of this whatever message that you want to show to the students, you can write that message over here. Okay, so I will say hello student, welcome to the course. Okay, so this much is enough. Okay, you don't have to break your head. So basically this code will be shown to the visitors and this code will be shown to the students. This is the only thing that you have to remember over here. Click on publish. So whenever you make any changes, it is always a good idea to publish your changes, and whatever course description or whatever that you want to show on the landing page. So basically this is the landing page. Okay, so whenever anyone opens the course, this is what is shown. Okay, so this is the image of the course, then this is the course description, and then the course content comes over here. I will show you how to display this course content. Now let me just come back over here. Now the next part is about displaying the image. Okay, so if I'm coming over here, I could see the course image over here. If you want to display this course image, then you just have to click on the settings, click on documents over here, just scroll down and you will see this option of featured image. You just have to click on the set featured image, and whatever image that you want to show on the front page of your course, you have to select that particular image. I want to show this image. I will say set featured image. I will say update, and now I have updated this course. Okay, so chatbot course is available on my website. If I'm just coming over here to my website in the incognito mode, and let me just refresh this, and this is that chatbot course. Okay, so this is that featured image which is used by me, and if I'm just clicking on see more, now I can see the featured image of my course. Then this is the message to the students, which is hello student, welcome to the course. I am already enrolled, so because of which I'm seeing this message. Okay, and then comes the course description. Let me just close the incognito mode, and let me just open this incognito mode over again, and now I've opened this incognito mode fresh, so that means I'm not yet enrolled on my website. Okay, so if I'm just going to my course over again, now I'm getting this message that you are not yet enrolled. Okay, so this is the message which we are supposed to show to the visitor. So now if I'm just coming over here, then it is showing this message. Okay, because I'm a visitor. Now I will show you how to build a course. Click on the builder. Okay, so you can divide the course in terms of sections, and inside of the sections there are lessons. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. First of all, let me just create one section, and I will give the name to this section as introduction. I will say add new section heading, and then I am having the lessons. I will say add new lesson, and over here I am having these few lessons. Okay, so these are links of my YouTube channel, and over here I am having this many lessons. So I will choose this first lesson over here. I will edit, and I will say add lesson, and let me just add one more lesson. I will copy this. I will click on add new. I will give the title, whatever title I want to give. I will say add. So currently I'm having this one section, and inside of this one section I'm having these two lessons. I will say update, and if I'm just coming to the incognito mode, let me just refresh this. Now I'm having this course content. Over here I'm having this section heading as an introduction, and I'm having this two these lessons present. Okay, so inside of the lessons we could have chapters also. So let me just show you how to create those chapters. So now I will click on this arrow here, and I will expand this. Okay, so I will expand this lesson, and now I'll add one topic. I will say I will give the name to this topic as topic number 1, and I will say add topic. You can add quiz also, and I will click on add topic, and I will say topic number 2, and let me just update this. I'll come over here, and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now if I'm just expanding this, I'm having this topic number 1 and topic number 2 inside of this lesson. Okay, so now I will show you how to add content to these topics. So I'll come over here, and if suppose I want to add some content to this first topic, I will click on this edit. Now let me just open this link in the new tab. So whatever content that you want to add, you can add it over here. Okay, so if you want to display the headings, paragraph, so videos, images, you can just put it over here. So this is the topic number 1, and now let me just show you how to add the content. So I will click on this plus button over here, and I will add first paragraph over here. Hello guys, this is our first topic of lesson 1. Then I want to display the YouTube video. Okay, so I will click on this plus button over here, and I will search for YouTube. Okay, I want to display the YouTube video. Over here you just have to enter the embedded link. So I will add this first link which I have. copy this, paste it over here, and click on embed. Okay, so now I have embedded one video. So now this is the video which will be shown. I will click on update. I will come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm expanding this. This is the first lesson. I will click on this first lesson, and it says hello guys, this is our first okay, so there is spelling mistake, and now I'm having this video over here. Okay, so once you complete watching this video, a student can click on the next topic to go to the next topic. So now if you want to add some more content like the images and all, then come down below, click on this edit button, or you can even click on this edit button. Okay, so add block button, whatever that is, click on add block, and whatever that you want to add, these are some of the options given over here. So these are learn dash options. Just search. Okay, if you want to display the image, click on image or gallery, text, media, or the text, whatever that you want to display, just display it. Let me just add one image. You can either upload the image from your PC, you can add it from the media library. Let me just select image from the media library. I will select this image. This is just for the tutorial purpose. I'm showing you all how to do this. Okay, so now I have displayed one image over here. I will click on update. Let me just come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm having this video, then I'm having this image. Whatever that you want to add, you can add it. If you want to add the list and all, then click on this add button and click on list. Then this is the list. Then these are some of the WooCommerce options also present. Okay, so you just have to know how to edit this stuff and structure your lessons. Now this lesson is edited, and I have also updated this, so I will close this tab. Then let me just go to the next topic. I will click on edit in the new tab. So now over here I will edit one image. I will use it from the media library. I will select this image. I will say select, and then down below I will come over here and click on edit, and now I will add one more YouTube video. And since this is my second topic, I will embed a different YouTube video over here. I will say embed, click on update over here on the top. Now let me just go to my course and refresh this page. Okay, so once a student is done accessing the first topic, then this student can directly click on next topic, and that student will be taken to the next topic which is present on your website. Then I'm having this featured image, then I'm having this lesson. That person could click on this and view the course content. That person can learn. Okay, and once that has been done, click on the next lesson, and that person could go to the next lesson. Okay, as of now there are no next lessons because we have not added any content. So this is how you have to structure your courses. Thanks for watching. So okay guys, in the previous tutorial we have seen how to structure your course. So now let me just show you how to build a complete course. Okay, so in order to do that, just go to your website, and after going to the website, click on products over here. Now we just have to create a product. Okay, so now let me just show you how to do that. Click on add new, and the course what we have created so far, this is known as a chatbot course. So I will add that very same name over here. I will say chatbot course. If you want to set a featured image and all, then you can do that. Let me just do that quickly. I've already used the image. Let me just select this image for the product. This is actually not mandatory, but let's just make use of it. Okay, so currently whatever price that you want to sell this course for, you can just give that price over here. I want to sell this course for 700 rupees, and I want it sales price to be 1000. Okay, sorry, this was supposed to be on the top and this was supposed to be at the bottom. Okay, so this is the regular price and this is the sales price. Okay, so whatever price at which you want to sell the product, I want to sell it at 700, but I want it market price of this course to be the 1200 rupees. Okay, so you just have to provide that price over here, and once you do this, just click on publish. And now once you are done with the product, next thing what you do is just go to the cart flows, click on flows, and you have to now create one flow. Okay, so now click on add new over here, and there's some of the templates present. So I want inline checkout. This is the option what I'm looking for. Click on import. Let me just click on the preview also. Let me just show you how this cart flows looks. Okay, okay, so this is how that cart flows looks. It has all these elements, and only thing what we are looking for is this checkout page. Okay, so we want this checkout page from where user will be checking out, and after that I'm having this thank you page. Once a person pays money for my course, then this thank you page will be shown to the person. And all these elements what we have over here, all this name and all this logo, these images and all these are not required. We can remove this. So what I will do is, this is the first step, first page of the checkout, and this is the second page of the thank you. Okay, so now I will click on edit. I will open this in a new tab. And just now we have created one product. Okay, so now you just have to come down below, click on select product, and you just have to search for that product. Okay, so I will say chatbot, this chatbot course. Okay, so this is the product which you have to select and assign it to this cart flow, and these are some of the other options present over here associated with this cart flow. So whatever information that you want, currently over here down below, as can be seen, it is asking for the first name, last name, country, and all this information. Whatever information that you want, you can just enable or disable it from here. So only information that we are in need of is the first name, last name. Country is not required, so I will cancel it out. Street name not required, this is not required, this is also not required. All this personal information is not required. So we are just in need of the first name, last name, and the email ID. And this many options, we don't want these also. Okay, so once you are done with all these things, click on update. Okay, so once the page is updated, once you are done making all these changes, then you just have to click on this edit with Elementor, because we want to remove all these elements. Okay, so these are useless elements which we don't want. If you want, you can keep it. Okay, okay, so now I am on my page. So now I don't want all these things. This is the demo from the cart flows. Okay, so this is not our website, this is our website. Okay, as can be seen over here, I don't want all these elements. So what I'll do, I will remove everything. I will click on this cross and click on this cross also. I don't want this also. I don't want this image as well. I don't want this. So just make sure guys that this option that you see over here down below, this is not visible over here. Okay, so as of now this is visible, but sometimes this part is not visible. Okay, so just make sure that it is present below this users. Okay, so just remember this part, it is just below the name, just below these templates of the users. Okay, so sometimes it is not shown. You will simply see some particular code. That code is basically to display this template. So I will remove this also. And whatever that you don't like, just click on cancel and remove. Okay, so this much is enough. Click on update. Okay, so now this page is edited. Now next comes the thank you page. So click on edit in the new tab. Over here it got opened. Currently this might feel a little bit confusing because I'm just doing a lot many things, like I'm opening this tab, that tab. There is nothing like that. So just come down below, and I want you guys to make few changes over here. If you don't want a user to take to this thank you page after making the payment and all, okay, so on this page user will make payment, and after that this page will be shown, which is a thank you page. If you don't want to take user to this thank you page, then you just have to click on this edit. Okay, just right click and open this in the new tab. After that you will be getting this page over here. So by default this thank you page will be shown. If you don't want to show this thank you page, if you want to send the user to some different location or different page of your website, then click on this redirect after purchase, enable this, and where you want to redirect them, enter that link over here. I will do one thing. I will go to my website, and I want to direct them to the accounts page. Okay, I can direct them to the home page, or I will it is better to direct them to my accounts page, because on the my accounts they can see all the courses that they have enrolled to, or how many courses they have completed, how many certificates they have. So it is good idea to give the link of the my accounts page. Okay, so just copy this link and come over here and paste it over here. Okay, and click on update. So now once this many changes are done, what you do is just click on this first page of the cart flows, which is this view. Just open this in a new tab. Now this flow got opened. Okay, so now this is how the payment information will be shown to the user. Just copy this link of the first flow, and you just have to come to the course. This is the course what we have structured so far. Okay, so now directly go to the settings and come down below, click on this closed, and over here you just have to enter the price of your course. I have added 700 while creating the product. Okay, if you remember, and you have to give that link over here, copy that link over here, click on update. If you want to associate any certificate with this course, click on the certificate. Okay, so this is the certificate which I would like to associate. Click on update. Okay, so now this course is ready. Now what I'll do is I will just go to the incognito mode. I'm teaching you all these things step by step because this is the crucial part. Okay, this is very important. This is that particular course which says 700 rupees. I will say see more. Just scroll down. Over here it says that you are not yet enrolled, and down below this course content is visible, but I cannot access this because I have put security restrictions. Okay, so now if I want to take this course, I will click on this take this course. Then I am taken to this page. We have seen how to design this page. Then I will add the first name, last name, and the email ID. Then I will say place order. Okay, so this is some of the dummy data which is fetched by me. Then I will say placed order, and it says payment gateway authentication failed because we have not yet activated this Insta Mojo. I will show you how to do that in the future class, but as of now this is how you have to integrate everything. And once you click on the place order, this course will be taken by a particular user. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is how you have to integrate the cart flows with your course.